Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a saw here that one of my customers had, and he started working on it and never did restore it. And we're going to sell this as a project saw. It's a large two-man chainsaw. Here's the fuel tank. Handlebars, gearbox. Starter housing, motor, turns over, feels like it's got good compression, looks good in the ports there. So if you're looking for a restoration project, I believe this to be about, I believe it's all there, but we're going to say it's 90% complete with all the parts. But we'll box it all up and shoot it your way. There's no bar and chain with it, just the motor.